How to do the wavy ponytail. At first I'm going to create the wavy hair structure. Maybe you know the trick to use scissors to curl plastic ribbons for gifts? Guess what? It works on embroidery floss too. Use a pair of craft scissors that are not too sharp. Be very careful throughout the process to not cut your threads accidentally. In order to add curls, use a couple of threads at a time. The smaller the amount, the easier it is to get a beautiful wavy structure in there. Separate strands of hair and do each one by one. Use the sharp side of the scissors and place them right at the root of your threads. Then press your thumb against the blade with the threads in between and pull it up. In the video, you'll see me pulling quite quickly. This creates a more supple wave. If you want very curly hair, pull the scissors very slowly. After all the threads are curled, don't comb through it or your freshly made waves will disappear quickly. Just sort through the threads with your fingers or a needle. To make this hairstyle a little bit prettier, pick up 2 strands of hair from the sides. They should be of equal size. Twist them a little bit and join them in the middle. Use a contrasting thread or ribbon and tie both strands together. I like to wrap and knot twice to be extra safe. Sometimes the knot makes the threads stand out too much. In this case, use a needle to stitch the unruly threads through the wrapped part and come up on the lower side of it. To spruce up the small ponytail, curl the 2 strands with the scissors again.